Those were described from a brine pool mussel bed in the Gulf of Mexico. And of course, there are also like Munidopsis squat lobsters, like we're seeing right in front of us, as well as scale worms, which are polynoids, and other typical inhabitants of chemosynthetic communities. That also looks like zoanthids or something.
Big monster.
Yes, those are the pale polyps above that white Munidopsis. Look like zoanthid colonial anemones. And there's a shrimp. Is that Alvinocaris next to the Munidopsis up there?
Perhaps. There are two Alvinocaris species in the area. I'm not sure which one of the two this may be. Those look a little bit different to the Miracola I'm accustomed to, but
there's three of them.
So I kind of moved over the pool because there was kind of turbid water.
5. Yeah. Wait for it to settle out before we move back over.
Interesting little community.
I'm not sure which species of mussel there may be. There may be more than one species. Perhaps some Bathymodiolus childressi mixed with brooksii.
Eric suggests that at this depth, Alvinocaris muricola.
Yeah, so, and as I was saying yesterday, a lot of these species actually have quite large ranges. Geographically, they can be found from as far south. Oh, look at all those amphipods swimming around. They can be found from as far south as the southern Caribbean and can come all the way up to the Gulf of Mexico.
Okay, video. Clear. So Dan,
what's all of those little wavy?
Oh, whoa! What are those?
Those look like little worms.
Oh, and they're gone.
Oh, they're gone.
Oh my God, that was so weird.
What are they doing?
That was bizarre.
There he is. That's bizarre.
I think they're camera shy too.
A little
they're like wiggling into
here.
the sand to like hide or something, or
I think your toes touch down.
A lot of these amphipods.
Yes, look at those little amphipods all over the place. They look like little white commas. Amphipods are in the same major group. Look at them all swarming. Are in the same major group as the isopods among the crustaceans. They brood their eggs and early larvae in
Wait, before
a pouch.
we zoom out, can we
curly worms top right.
Yeah, so these, I was just saying there's a conspicuous absence of tube worms, but if we're about to zoom in on what look like Sclerolinum contortum, which are a type of sibylinid, they are what we would have seen a couple dives ago, and they've got this extremely curly appearance, kind of like a ramen noodle.
And this is, so we've seen those curly worms once before, but the amphipods are a new thing, and so we haven't seen them before, all over the place.
Tracking's been nice today.
Yeah. Okay, video.
Hundreds and hundreds of them.
You watch if there's anything else in this area you'd like to get a closer look at?
No, yeah, if we could just continue looking around.
Actually, if we could,
find some of those worms.
Pan out and go down a little bit to the left of those rocks was the patch of mud, right center now, a little bit above right center now, where we saw those little, we're a little bit above this. Yeah, right about there was where we saw just briefly these little rapidly undulating, I guess they were some kind of worm, come out of the bottom and then zip back in again. I don't know if we'll get a chance to see them again.
You don't think
they were out very briefly.
Oh, I see.
Don't have any clue what they were.
We got some.
We got a little dust in the air here. Some of our.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll see them somewhere else in the area. So let's get out of the dust.
Yeah. It's like a.
It's the cloud of sediment that we have kicked up ourselves.
Yeah, we think maybe it's large mammals doing this. All right, what's gonna be the direction here? That's so much. I've never seen that much sediment before. trying to.
So I believe that
Yeah, you can see how
Brine
much
Lake
teeming
or
today.
river was to our right, but then the slope slopes down again beyond here to the left.
Hopefully. Well, I think they still want
Where
to
would
look
you
around
like
in
to
this
go,
area for a
Diva?
bit longer.
Before we leave this area, if we could go back and get some, well, I'm not sure where the sediment dust cloud is.
Yeah, I'm worried that
That might be over most of the stuff, perhaps.